Thank you for buying this 16 by 12 by 4 full overlap slotted container from Fixture Displays. This comes in a bundle, and when you receive that, there will be some taping because carriers generally don't like boxes shipped on a stripe that won't be a conveyable. So you all have tape toward the end, and you won't see the stripe. The full overlap container has superior strength toward the two ends. Therefore, for a little added material, they give a lot stronger performance. The burst or mooling test on this product is 150 pounds, and this is a pretty well-built container. Dimensions is 16 by 12 by 4. That's the inside dimensions. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. If you have a custom requirement, feel free to let us know. Our minimum is very low. However, custom make does take time because this is custom make and imported. As is, this box features our fixturedisplays.com logo and dimensions is on the box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like us, subscribe to leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.